Today I'm gonna show you how to make these incredible hamburger tater tot muffins with pickles on top and this like killer sauce, okay? If your kids don't like this, I don't know what the problem is. You will need the following things. You will need 1 onion diced. In case you need a refresher, I'm going to show you how to properly dice an onion. And you're gonna curl your fingers so that you don't cut them, people. And then you just cut. Then you're gonna switch sides and you're gonna cut this way. So you're gonna cut vertically and horizontally. Then you're gonna just cut down the side, and look, it's diced for you. So easy, so much easier than whatever I've been doing years before I learned this little trick. 1.5 pounds of ground beef, tater tots, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 cup of shredded cheese, 2 tablespoons of sweet relish, and some miniature dill slices to top and garnish. You will also need to make this special sauce. 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 4 tablespoons pickle relish, 2 tablespoons yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon white wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder. And I found this recipe on a blog called Homemade Interest. These are advertised as an appetizer. However, I think I would probably make these for a dinner maybe. An appetizer would be cute too. Okay. The first thing you are going to do is you're going to preheat your oven to 425. And then you're going to put 3 tater tots per muffin tin, okay? Then you're going to put it in the oven for 10 minutes. While that is cooking, you're going to brown your meat. Once you've browned it and drained it, you're going to add the onions. Once the onions have cooked, you're going to add the mayonnaise, the ketchup, the mustard, and the relish. Then once the tater tots come out of the oven, you're going to jam them down, creating a crust around the muffin tin. Then you're going to take the meat mixture and put it on top of the tater tots. Then you're going to sprinkle cheese on each muffin top. We should have called these cheeseburger tater muffin tops. Anywho. Then you're going to put back in the oven for 15 minutes. Once you take them out the final time, you're going to drizzle your special sauce over them and top with the pickle slices. Simple as that. Holy cow, that is so good. Good luck. This you have got to make is totally worth it.